Hey, it's Nick! You might be wondering why all this stuff is over here. See? Well, it's because my mom, she doesn't like the stuff anywhere else. And so that's why it's all in here. See? Oh my gosh, I got robbed! I can't believe it. My mom said that she accidentally left the door open while we went out to eat on Saturday night. So that's why all this stuff is... This is now the room that everything was in, and everything's gone. Even the outdoors got robbed. Look at this. Look at all the floors. Look at this. My dog is freaking out. The police said that they would track down the robber and throw him into jail. But so far, it's already been 3 weeks. So I guess the robber got away with everything.